How to create a TikTok Lite account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the TikTok Lite app on your device. If you do not have this app, you can simply head over to Play Store or App Store to download the app. Then tap on the Me button, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here, you can sign up for TikTok. If you have an account, you can click on the login button, which is at the bottom of your screen. Since we're going to create a new account, so here, as you can see, there are different ways on how you can sign up for TikTok. You can continue with Facebook or Google, but now I'm going to show you how you can sign up using your phone number or email. So for that, tap on the very first option. Now here you have the option to choose between phone number or email. For this video, I'm going to choose email. Here you want to enter your email address, then tap on the next button. Now you need to create a new password. So go ahead and do that. Make sure you create a strong password. After that, tap on the next button. Now you have to enter your date of birth. Make sure you enter the correct date of birth and then tap on next. Now you need to create your profile name, so you can either start that process or you can also skip it by tapping on the skip button. Once that is done, here you can see your new TikTok Lite account has been created, and that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.